Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to join Duolingo beta on your Android phone. So simply go to your mobile browser like Chrome or any other browser and go to Google and search here join Duolingo beta and press enter, and you will see like this first website, like you will see the website of Duolingo and the Reddit website on the first page. And if not, just scroll down a little bit and you will see this website Reddit, how to join beta. So simply open it, and once you open it, it will take a few seconds, so wait for it and scroll down, and here you will see the website of duolingo.com join beta. So just click on this link and it will take you to another website of Duolingo. As you can see, this is the official website of Duolingo join beta. So just make sure to click here sign me up, and once you click on sign me up, it will ask you to like log in with your account. And once you log in with your account, you can see everything like complete the section, start here and unlock leaderboards, try super for free, daily quest, and everything you can read here, the sounds, leaderboards, like everything. So just make sure to log in with your account. As you can see, I am already logged in with my account. So if you do not see this interface, just make sure to enter your name and email address, create a password, and once you do it, you will be able to see this interface on Duolingo. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can join Duolingo on your Android phone.